Hey everyone, so this is just a quick video on how to remove crayon from your walls. I know anyone with little children at home may have this issue. So in order to get started, all we really need are some baby wipes and a hair dryer. And if you want to replace the baby wipes with damp cloth, then I'm sure that would do fine as well. So what you're going to do is you're just going to be heating the crayon, melting the wax, and then wiping it off with the baby wipe. And that's pretty much all there is to it. So it looks like it did a pretty good job. Got most of the crayon off. And you just need to go over it a little bit just to get some of those fine lines out. And that's pretty much it for the video. If you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Thanks for watching the video.